Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Patrick. Today, maybe onwards and onwards for many days. I don't know how or when am I going to stop this series of videos. I will be going through with you how you can program in PHP. And of course, a part of PHP, I will also show you how you can use PHP in many of the website development using some of the framework that I am used to use. Okay, so I use not many, a few of them of the frameworks that I always use. So today I'm going to introduce you to PHP. So what is PHP actually? PHP is actually called hypertext preprocessor. It's a programming language, open source programming language, and it's being used by many websites, including WordPress. WordPress is the world's largest CMS kind of software available on the market. Okay, so you cannot be wrong if you follow what the PHP path is. Right now, PHP is at version 8. Okay, so there are a few websites that you might want to go through before you start to learn this PHP. First of all, you have to know a little bit about the history of the PHP. Okay, so you might want to read this page. I will include the link inside the description. You can take a look. Okay, so this is the history of PHP. It is a very quick, very fast language. Okay, easy to learn. If you have a C or even C++ background, PHP is a piece of cake. Okay, all right. You can see whether I have some code over here or no. There's no code over here. So this is a PHP 3, PHP 4, 5. Right now it's PHP 8. Okay, version 8. So a lot of websites are running 7 actually. Version 8 is not very a lot yet. Okay, it's just started out. So you can also go through the introduction over here, W3 schools. Okay, you can take a look of what are the features of PHP. Okay, so it is very powerful. Okay, because the blogging system WordPress is using PHP, and also the largest social network Facebook is using PHP. All right, so you can feel the powerful of PHP. Okay, so it's easy enough to learn for beginners because it's using C language syntax, so it's very easy to learn. Right, the learning curve will be very not as steep lah. Right, so I will go through with you for each of the construct from following videos onwards. Okay, so the files is .php, the file type. Anything that you have you written in PHP should be named something .php. Okay, so it's actually an embedded language inside a HTML file. So the web server will process the PHP file and generate HTML and send it to the browser. This is the whole concept of the server-side programming. All right. So what can PHP do actually? PHP can do pretty much everything that you want on website, on the website. So PHP coupled with some database like MySQL, you can generate dynamically rendered website. Okay, just like Facebook. All right, everyone knows. Okay, so why PHP? PHP is running on almost every single platform on earth. Okay, so Windows you can run it, Linux you can run it, Unix, Mac OS, a lot of OS can run PHP, and also the web server, Apache, IIS, Microsoft IIS, and also some of the smaller web server like Lightspeed, okay, Nginx. It will run PHP. Okay, it has a very good website for you to visit if you want to visit the official website. You can come over here, php.net. Okay, so right now version 7, actually version 8 already lah. Version 7 is the most run on this one. All right. So other things than that, I will let you see how this website PHP is running on. So WordPress, 40% of all websites, see, worldwide websites, 40% running WordPress. Joomla, it is another CMS 2.6, Drupal 1.6, 1.7. So all these are written in PHP. I don't know about Squarespace and Wix, but this three for sure is written in PHP. All right. So it has a big piece of cake of all the websites that's running right now. Okay, so if you visit a website, and most probably you are going to hit a PHP website. All right. So if you come over here, okay, this site shows that how many websites that is running Shopify, for example. Okay, so this is only Malaysian, you see, Malaysia website only. So worldwide, not yet, right? Worldwide is even larger number. Okay, so for WordPress only, there's 30 million websites in Malaysia running WordPress. Okay, WooCommerce written in PHP. Magento, yes, Magento, right? Magento. All right, Salesforce, I'm not sure. AngularJS, no. See, Drupal, yes. All right, PrestaShop, yes. All these are e-commerce website. BigCommerce, yes. Laravel is a PHP framework, yes. Okay. See how many website that is running PHP. OS Commerce, yes. OpenCart, yes. ZenCart, yes. All right. There's a lot of website that is running PHP. So you cannot be wrong by learning PHP. Okay. So from next lectures or next videos onwards, I will teach you how you can program in PHP actually. So you might need a little bit of PHP topic like HTML, how you write HTML, how you do some JavaScript, and probably you don't touch a lot of CSS because I'm going to use framework. Okay, framework that is written already ready for you to use. Maybe JavaScript is just a little bit. I will use jQuery. Okay, is to ease your work lah, to ease my work as a programmer. Okay, so I'm going to use Get UI Kit. Okay, Get UI Kit is a CSS and also JavaScript framework, so that it will ease my work. So stay tuned. So I will make a playlist for it, and you have to go through the whole course to start learning PHP. Well, this course is just a basic of PHP, but without basic, you can't go further. All right. So why not you watch the whole playlist and follow me, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video so that more people will learn about PHP, this fantastic language. Okay. All right. Subscribe my channel. Remember to turn on the all notifications. All right. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.